What is up, everybody? My name is Eric. I'm that one guy. And typically, if you're watching my channel, you're watching motorcycles, you're watching tech, you're watching motorcycle related things. But today we're going to dive into the world that has been my world since I was a kid. Ever since I got my first pair of Air Jordans, I've kind of been hooked on sneakers. And today we're looking at the Nike Artifact X Dunk Genesis. And this is the Ghost edition, the white and gray edition. So right off the bat, I'm super hyped about this box. We have this window here with the paper inside that's kind of concealing the shoe. This is a brand new pair that I bought off of eBay, and I will always say, if you're gonna buy on eBay, you gotta get them authenticated because you just never know, especially with special edition kicks. Gotta make sure that you're getting the authentic. Right off the bat, we filmed this special edition. Just, if you look at this box, got size 10.5. Everything is legit and feeling not only special edition, but limited edition. We're gonna open this up and get the whole experience of unboxing Nike Artifact. Again, you can't get these anymore because this is limited edition, but you can go on eBay, like I said, and get yours secondhand. I always recommend getting them new because you just never know when someone's worn something. Okay, so we got these little tabs on the side, and it's got this drawer style open. And here we go. Got 2 layers of paper. And again, you open up the box and it's got the eBay authenticated tag on there so you know it's legit. And I've watched a ton of reviews on these before I even pulled the trigger on them, and they're even more amazing in person than they are on video. This is one of the things that almost made me not get them, is this clear rubber sole, because I just know, having owned shoes forever and ever, that these clear soles are going to turn yellow over time, but we will be super careful with those. We'll get to everything in a second, but you've got left shoe, right shoe, and as most people have mentioned, these shoes do not feel as heavy as they look, because when you look at them, they kind of look like a beast of a shoe, but they are not as heavy as they look. They've got of course, the Nike shoe forms so that you can keep your shoes, without the crease, which eventually it's going to happen anyway. The top of this shoe isn't like a leather or a shiny leather. It's this kind of reflective, textured material, and I'll have all the specifications on the screen here so you guys can get the correct information. I mean, this is something also that wasn't mentioned in videos, are these laces, and you want to talk about straight up out of like Back to the Future. You have this extra pair of laces that was laced up through the shoe that has more of this typical reflective gray material. But the shoes, I don't know if this is going to come through on the video, have this like clear material. And again, I'll probably take these out because the more I touch these with my hands, the more my oils from my hands are going to get to them, and it's just going to it's going to yellow them or brown them. Inside the shoe, one of these shoes, you have these plates that go on the heel. They slide right in for that futuristic look. How easy is it to slide in here? I don't want to mess these up. There we go. So you got the heel plate, and then the one for the tongue. That's the heel. The one for the tongue. Put the tongue plate and the heel plate in place. And then inside the laces you have these. And I've heard that you can 3D print different, these, like, again, this makes it feel like something straight out of the future. These crystals that you put inside the tongue. This is something I never heard mentioned in any of the reviews I watched. It says, I don't know if you can see this, it says Ghost right there in this little crystal that you put in the tongue. This has some weight to it, which is really cool. Feels like the ends are metal and the middle is glass. Maybe it's just a heavy plastic, but you just snap that in there, and I mean, it looks like you're ready for your hoverboard. So you get that reference if you're as old as I am. All right, that's an unboxing for you guys. I mean, this is as simple as it gets because we're not doing anything that you had to necessarily put together. This is what the shoe looks like without all the plates. Again, these translucent laces, I don't know if you can see that in the video. So cool. You can see with the light reflecting on them, it kind of has the nice shine to them. This is obviously the coolest pair of shoes that I've ever owned. When you put the plates on there, it has a little bit more weight to it, but still, I've definitely owned shoes or boots that are heavier than this. Again, all of this material is not. So when I looked at these shoes on online, it looks like a patent leather, but all of this has this shiny, textured, almost reflective material to it. Not like anything you could actually. Again, I thought this was patent leather, and I will have the specific materials. This has a patent leathery, plasticky feel on the swoosh here and on the artifact logo on the side here. And you see these really cool details, and I'll have close-ups of these so you guys can get a really good look at these shoes and the materials, because I feel like what's missing from a lot of the videos that I've seen of these shoes are like really in-depth close-up looks. I mean, this is one of those things where when you get like a collector's item or something that's really intricately designed, I could just kind of stare at this shoe and find new details all the time, and I think that was the whole point. All right, in my haste and excitement, I did not find out if these shoes also came with the NFT, which I have really no interest in, but we're gonna check to see. Oh. So we've got plates, we've got stickers, which we did not also unbox or open. You can get a good look at these. Lots of stickers, holy crap. So yeah, some really cool stickers. You can see they're shiny, good quality. This one has some texture to it, which makes me believe maybe it's glow in the dark. One of the heel of this Boston Dynamics, which also has a artifact and Nike sticker on it. The different varieties, the Void, I'm not sure. Oh, and then the Clone, which is the red one. And then I'm not sure what the blue one's called. Oh, right here, Void Genesis, which is the blue one. Ghost, which is the one I have. And then the Clone X. So the different varieties, and those are all stickers that come with the shoes.
We now return to your regular programming.
All right, guys, if you guys have any questions about the Artifact X Dunk Genesis Ghost, make sure you leave them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. I won't have all the answers. Maybe I'll shoot you some links. But again, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, want to see more of this content, make sure you leave a like, which is that thumbs up down there. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Appreciate all of you. Be kind to one another. I'm that one guy, and I'm out.